for the international community, for everyone in the world to know, and especially for our brothers in Nigeria. President Tinubu and the federal government of Nigeria are dragging Nigeria into a very dangerous situation. Nigeria has violated the airspace of Burkina Faso, which is the airspace of Confederation of IS, which is an airspace that is banned for Nigerian flights to cross, especially the military aircraft. Burkina Faso yesterday on 8th of December have seized the force and aircraft to land in Burkina Faso because a Nigerian aircraft C-130 has crossed illegally the airspace of Burkina Faso, and it has in it 2 crew and 9 soldiers. We saw a declaration from the Confederation of IS from 3 of them, Niger, Burkina Faso, and Mali, declaring this was a breach of IS sovereignty and it's an illegal move by Nigerian government. As a result and as a reaction from the Confederation of IS, they ordered all the military of IS to be in a maximum alert, and they gave an automatic order that any aircraft, not only Nigerian but especially Nigerian, any aircraft that crossed the airspace of the IS Confederation without authority, they will blow it up, they will shut it down. You need to know what is happening, really, Nigerians. Bola Tinubu Ahmed is taking Nigeria to a war that is not yours. What is happening in Benin concerns Benin people. But for Bola Tinubu Ahmed to come out and say that they are going to Benin to protect the democracy, we all know this is not democracy that they are protecting. If they are really protecting the democracy, they should have done this 2 weeks ago in Guinea-Bissau. But we did not see this movement. We did not see Nigerian military aircraft bombarding Guinea-Bissau. We did not see ECOWAS military going to attack Guinea-Bissau. But we saw this one because the Benin coup is a coup that is not arranging France. And Emmanuel Macron gave the order to Bola Tinubu Ahmed to go and attack Benin, and Tinubu did it. The Benin political parties have published some declaration condemning what Nigeria is doing and what France is doing. Many sects of military in Benin are also opposing this intervention, which they are calling it's disrespectful to their sovereign country. And it's true like this. ECOWAS is not protecting democracy. ECOWAS is not protecting people. This is very clear and we know it. ECOWAS is only there to protect the president who are serving the West, and IAS at this moment are on a maximum alert. We are repeating this to you Nigerians. Maximum alert is on the entire Confederation of IAS in Burkina Faso, in Mali and Niger. If any aircraft, especially military aircraft, cross the borders of any of these countries, they will blow it up. See, it's like Bola Tinubu Ahmed is giving away military equipment for free. Yesterday also we heard that the Benin military have shut down one of Nigerian military aircraft. Nigerians, you should wake up. You should talk to your politicians, and your politicians will talk to Tinubu to stop their invasion of Benin, and especially to stay out of the IAS airspace, because from now on, any aircraft crossing will be blown. I hope this clear things a little bit for you of things that is happening between Nigeria and the IAS countries, Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger, and especially, you know what is happening of invasion that Nigerian army are participating with French to invade Cotonou to kill their military and their civilians.